Hey guys, welcome to KB Tutorials. So now you can see I have run one script and it is executing in the browser. Now you can see it went to the bottom of the web page, right? So in this tutorial I am going to show you how to go to the bottom of the web page in Selenium WebDriver. So there were actually two ways of doing this. One is using the traditional JavaScript approach, another one is using the send keys base. So let me get started here. I have this code. Let me put it in a comment section so that I can help more. So this is my code, isn't it? So basically what I am doing here is yeah, cool. So here I am setting my WebDriver path and I am initializing my Chrome driver. Okay, here over the WD is nothing but my object repository dot WebDriver. Okay, so I am initializing my Chrome driver here and I am navigating to this particular web page, right? So once I did that, using send keys we'll see how we can go to the bottom of the web page. So to do that, first of all, this is my web page. Here I am. Okay, if I simply apply shift and tab, so once it is loaded like this, if I apply shift and tab, it is going directly to the bottom of the web page. This is what we need to remember. Once it is loaded, only if you apply shift and tab, it is going. Okay, so it is now loaded here. Now I need to apply shift and tab at the same time, right? So that is using send keys that I am going to do, right? So in order to do that, first I need a web element. Here the web element is nothing but body of the web page. So I can directly use body tag here, right? So web element el is equal to or.wd dot find element by tag name of body. Okay, then el dot send keys. Here I am need to have two keys at the same time. Shift and tab I need to pass at the same time. So to do that, I'll use keys dot caught. Here keys dot shift, then keys dot tab, right? So if I execute this script, I should go to the bottom of the web page. Let's see this. Let me run as JavaScript. So let me run as Java application, and it is loading the now you could see it came to the bottom of the web page, right? So this is how now you could see here we came to the bottom of the web page. So this is how we can do using send keys, guys. Simple. Shift and tab, that's it. Shift tab when it is loaded. So this is a one approach. Then what is my second approach? Second approach is using JavaScript executor. Okay, so to do that I need to create JavaScript object. JavaScript executor JS is equal to, how do I need to create here? Simply JavaScript executor of WebDriver, right? This is my WebDriver, this is my JavaScript executor. Here JS dot execute script. Here this is very important, guys. This is actually you need to remember. There is no way, or else you can Google it and you can find out. Here Windows dot scroll to off. What you need to do, you need to scroll like this from top to bottom. That means via y-axis, not in x-axis. So this is my y-axis, right? So that's why I given 0 here. Then here you need to do something like document dot body dot height. Okay, I hope it's correct only. Even I am not sure. Scroll height. Okay. Document dot. This one. I told you now it's little bit confusing. But once you start practicing, you'll get used to it. Okay. Now this is using JavaScript. So let me execute this and let's see the output. Before that, let me close this. Run as Java application. Now the application is loading. Let it load completely. Then you should go to the bottom of the web page. What happened? Okay, there is some kind of an issue, it seems. JavaScript Windows not defined. Okay. Okay, Windows. Okay, this one maybe. Okay, window dot scroll to. I'm not sure exactly. Yeah, window dot scroll to. Yeah, cool. Let me run this. So as I said, it's a very simple thing that I usually do is like I'll put it in my Notepad plus plus. So whenever I need in my application, I simply copy paste that. Now you could see it came to the bottom of the web page. So the command here is scroll to. Based on the y-axis you are just getting the height, and based on the y-axis you are scrolling down. Okay, I hope it's informative for you guys. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.